Oh my god. Hey guys, guess what? You won't believe this, but, I was playing outside a little bit ago. I wonder if it's still here. No, TV. And I was walking around, and I found this little dude, this little baby bird. He's wild. It's okay. It's okay, little dude. I held him before. Dude! Come on. It's okay. Stop jumping. It's okay. It's okay. Don't do that. No. No! Go ahead and try to get out. 20 cents per... Oh. Okay, so, be right back, guys. He's pecking at the window. It's okay. Okay, I got him. I think he's hungry. I'll put him back in here and feed him some more seeds. I have these because, you guys know I have birds already. Okay, open your mouth. Yeah, I've been feeding him some seeds. He likes them. I can only feed him the small ones, so I can't give him sunflower seeds. Come on. You hungry? It's okay. I'm not that scared because I used to have a wild baby bird. His name was Chirp, but he died somehow. I miss him. He had a missing leg because of my little stepsister. It's okay, little dude. I tamed him most of the way already. But he's just hungry. You still hungry? I just grab a pinch of food. Oh, he's got some stinging out of his lip. It's so cute and it tickles when he nibbles on my finger. I can't get any sunflower seeds for him though because it can make him choke. It's too bad we don't have any mealworms anymore for him. So adorable. It's okay. Come here. I think it's starting to, yep, it's starting to rain. I think that's his mom over there. But, yeah, this is him, guys. He's so cute. Bye.